With FlippingBook Online, you can create your first flipbook from a ready PDF and then share it. Start with our demo file, or upload your own PDF here. It'll be automatically converted into a flipbook. Meanwhile, you can preview and customize it. Your neat flipbook provides a lifelike reading experience to your clients on the web. And you're in charge of the design. Start with a descriptive name for your flipbook. Then, make it instantly recognizable with your own logo, as well as custom background, colors, and favicon. You can also control how your flipbook is distributed by disabling share, print, and download options. Or go the extra mile with a password. Oh, and set up a lead capture form to collect leads right within your document. Save your settings as default for faster content creation and go to your flipbook page. There's a bunch of things you can do here. Say adding extra interactivity, insert videos or GIFs, turn images into pop-ups, and make any content clickable. Plus, if you have links in your original PDF, they'll be detected automatically. Now that your flipbook is ready, why not share it? Simply copy and email a public link to all of your clients, or find other sharing options here. All right, let's explore your dashboard. At the moment, you have one document in the home folder, but you can have several flipbooks across different folders. Store some in private folders for personal use, and collaborate with your team in shared folders. Each flipbook can be managed right from the dashboard. For instance, here you can access our built-in stats. See when your views peaked, what pages were the most engaging, who exactly opened your document, and more. Now you know how to enhance the viewing experience with digital flipbooks for your clients. So go ahead and create your first interactive document with FlippingBook Online.